Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark 10 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. You could also check all of the package contacts here on your box. We got here the device, the charger, USB cable, user manual, warranty card, earphones, protective cover, and take out pin. So let's check all of this accessories. Let's open the box. This is the place for our device. Let's open the box. So this is the warranty card, the quick start guide, and the protective silicone case in clear color. Also we got here the charger with all of the specs, USB Type-C cable, the earbuds, and the SIM eject tool. So that is all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.